Authorities want the families displaced by the floods in Davao to remain in evacuation centers. This until the weather condition improves. Vicky De Guzman reports.
Due to the continuous rainfall, it caused flooding to 10 municipalities, 1 city, and 65 villages in Region 11. This was said by the Assistant Regional Director of the Office of the Civil Defense Region 11, Antonio Cloma. He said that they have a lot of evacuees and they advised them to stay until the weather condition gets better.
So the advice of Office of Civil Defense that those families who have already evacuated, because we always emphasize the so-called preemptive evacuations. So those families living in the high-risk areas who are now in the safe evacuation center should remain until the time that the weather condition will improve. 10 municipalities coming from the provinces of Davao del Norte, Davao Oriental, and even Compostela Valley Province. So as far as Cumbal, total of 4 municipalities affected. Then as far as Davao del Norte, total of 5 municipalities. 1 municipality ang affected sa Davao Oriental, which is Katiil.
He added that the death toll in the recent flooding in Davao region has already to 2. 1 person is recorded injured and 1 is still missing.
As far as Davao region is concerned, meron tayong 2. 1 in the province of Cumbal and the other one is in Davao del Norte. And we have 1 missing. According to the report, the missing one is from Barangay Sunlon of Asuncion.
Meanwhile, he said that due to the bad weather condition, the relief operations for the Typhoon Pablo victims is hampered.
Delay of delivery from the municipality to the different barangays. Kasi ang nakita ko doon sa mga munisipyo, meron na silang mga naka-stock na mga relief goods. So kulang lang pag-deliver sa mga affected barangay.
Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police is coordinating with other agencies to help in the rescue operations. But Regional Director Jaime Morente says that in order to improve their operations, they must have the needed disaster response equipments.
Napakalaking challenge kasi sa amin kulang kami ng equipment. We have people to deploy, but because of yung lack ng equipment, hindi ma-realize yung full ating tao.
For People's Television, Vicky De Guzman.